Hello everybody, welcome to my channel 3D Video Gaming World. This channel will provide you a complete game development course using which tool? A Unity tool. What is Unity? We will discuss inshallah time to time each step that will be used in the game development. Right now, first of all, we have to discuss the objective of this complete course. Number 1, introducing game. This course will completely describe you what is actually gaming, what is the tool for game development, then how to develop a 3D game or a 2D game, and then how to earn the money through games, and then game revenues, what will be the revenues of the game, how much the revenues can be increased or decreased, and little more discussion about the game development course, no existing game project. In this video, we will discuss about the 3D games that already pre-existing and the revenues that the overall countries and market plus companies are generating while playing them, while developing them, while uploading them on the store. Here is one of the action game icon, then Climb Hill Racing. I think one of the most favorite of kids. This game is very popular among Android devices. And then Call of Duty, that is actually alright, because these are the icons that are randomly chosen for different type of other games. The other games can be viewed from the Google Play Store, right? From Google Play Store, search out the game category. Now here, top games of Android platform supported by Google are listed right down here. Subway Surfer, Candy Crush, Talking Tom, and everything. Now, make a clear difference between what is 2D and 3D. 3D games are kind of this form where you can visualize each and everything realistically. You can move left, right, forward, backward, and right. While in 2D you cannot move left, right, forward, backward, as we are moving in a realistic world, right? In 2D game is actually like Candy Crush, where each and everything has to be focused. You can just move within the fixed screen, not anywhere else, right? So this is a 2D and 3D difference, because you can choose any of the game, 2D or 3D. First discuss why we use game, why we prefer the games. Now guys, look at this chart. This is actually the chart that the companies earn the revenues through game development, right? Now you can see a Tencent company. Tencent company has earned 18.1 billion. 18.1 billion in 2017 year. Then Sony. He has earned 10.5 billion from game development. Apple Store has 8 billion, Microsoft 7.1, and many more. Google $5.3 billion. I was discussing actually in dollars, not a PKR or anything else. So you can earn as many dollars through even a single game. Now the question is how. You can earn you can earn as many dollars as you want. It only depends upon your ideas, your creativity, your skills, and the first and the most important thing, your motivation towards game development, towards this course, towards building a game, right? Now, there are top games of 2018. Fortnite Battle Royale, that was released in 2017 and hit in 2018, the still same as it was hit in the earlier year, right? Now the second, Grand Theft Auto. These both are 2D games. And then the third, PlayerUnknown's Battleground, it's actually released into the 2017, can be buy from Amazon.com, and it was a 3D game, right? And then on the fourth, Minecraft, Tom Kenyon Rainbow, and many more. Different type of games are right there and can be shown from this Android platform if you are working on Android platform, right? Our target will be Android platform. However, the tool we are using can be used to develop Android platform games, plus iOS platform games, desktop, Xbox, each and everything actually. Sony, Samsung tablets. The Unity is actually a mystery box that contains each and everything. So I hope you clearly know about 2D and 3D game. Plus, why you have to choose a game development site for your earning point of view, plus to show your creativity and many more, right? To explore many things in the game development area. So guys, if you want to build your own game by using Unity 3D, it's the best opportunity to join this course. Keep following me and inshallah you will getting better results in my course. Inshallah we will discuss about basics of Unity and then how to switch and how to build a complete 3D game. Then can be action, racing, simulation or any kind of game. The one thing you have to clear about is you need no job for Unity. You need no job if you have skills for Unity. You can work on Fiverr where $500, $100 of one project of one video game you can cost. I hope this video helps you to get understanding of 3D video game, difference between 2D and 3D, and then how the entertainment source can become a lifetime earning. How you can earn your creativity, plus how you can sell your projects on the Fiverr, on the Upwork, how to reuse your code, what are the hit games and how you can get the revenues. Right guys, when your game has been developed, you just need to upload that game on your account and it will be give you a lifetime earning. As long as Google exists, it will pay you for your game. Build a game once and get revenues every day. And in my next video, will inshallah tell you about the tool you will use throughout the game development, right? And what are the requirements for that tool. Inshallah, free tool will be given to you. No issues will be occurred. So stay tuned, keep appreciating and don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification on. Till next time, take care, goodbye.